Hi friends, so few days back, since I moved from Intel to AMD, I got this Ryzen 7 2700X, but I have had some issues with it and I was not sure what to do, but one of the solution was to go for something for some temperature related issue. So I entrusted Techbooze aka Ritwick Jana to buy something like a cooler. I will be opening this box and show you the stuff and shout out to both Techboost, Acro, Ritwick Jana, and everyone involved to what you call successfully deliver this package to me amid the lockdowns and all those things. Like it's quite scary and just dive into this. So I cut up on the box and to add some context, like I don't know. Sorry, I just knocked my phone out. So I was not sure what was the issue earlier, but I am using a wraith cooler and I thought why not go for something big. So you can see there is the GamerStorm logo and it's a Castle 240EX GamerStorm. Let me get it out of the box and we will look more into it in detail and focus it properly. So here it is. Hope you can see it. Anti-leak tech inside, the new standard of cooling system, GamerStorm. There's the logo. Okay, okay. Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI, Mystic Light, Azrock, Polychrome Sync. So these are the motherboard vendors, and these are few types of RGB option or ARGB options supported by them. So it is Castle 240X 240 liquid cooler, and on the side, okay, got this. For a second. Okay. So few details. DeepCool China, and let's go to the specification. Socket compatibility LGA 2066/2011 version 3 2011 1151 1150 1155 AMD TR4 AM4 AM3 plus AM3 AM2 plus AM2 FM2 plus FM2 FM1. So it almost support all the latest socket compatibilities. Radiator material is aluminum. Few more information. 3-pin pump connector. So might be PWM or something. Okay, 4-pin. Okay, this is the fan connector is 4-pin PWM. This is 3-pin. I think CPU compatibility or something. 3-pin LED connector and all those. Okay, it gets blur due to some I don't know. Okay, so more compact and powerful split double chamber design compatible with multiple motherboard without installation restrictions. High efficient and powerful motor anti-leak tech inside. Logo can be adjusted with the direction of pump head. Customizable logo base included. 5-volt addressable RGB LED and motherboard 5-volt it add RGB or ARGB sync control supported. Okay, so let's get the plastic and open the box. Okay, now you can see a bit more clearly. GamerStorm Castle 240X. Let's open the box and okay, protective cover. Okay, I think okay, this maybe the CPU block and the pump. Man, this is heavy. Yeah, this is quite heavy. I think I have to get it out by hand. And first of all, let's get all of them out, then we will see one by one. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. That good stuff. So yeah, I think these are the fans. I will take one out and try to sew it. Okay, these fans are also heavy duty fans, pretty heavy. Okay, they don't want to come out easily, but yeah, here is the fan. I think there's something. This is the GamerStorm logo, and yeah, it's not coming out. It's, okay, it came out finally. Sorry for the mistakes. This is I'm trying to record it with the phone, and yeah. So here you can see 4 pin. Yeah, okay, 4 pin. You can see down. This is the fan. So there are two fans. So going by description, these are GamerStorm TF 120S 12 volt 0.15 ampere TF 120 to 512 12 centimeter fans. So these are quite heavy fans, like no gimmick. I think this is the same fan, so we had looked, and this is I think the accessories, and there are plenty of it. First, this I think this is the addressable logo kind of thing. I think you can put some logo in it and place it in the pump. Some connectors. Okay. There is the brackets and all those things. So here you have GamerStorm. I will take that one out. So the parts are quite tiny and you may lose something. So yeah, this is the logo, some kind of stickers, I think. I think this is the case badge or something, or I don't know. I have to look more into it. Yeah, it looks like a case badge because it's heavy, quite heavy, and yeah, manual. Man, I'm not. It's been a while with recording with the phone, so I am making mistakes. So here's the user manual. It's very important to keep it. It does help while you connect stuff. And yeah, so now looking at this, okay, can I take the plastic out carefully, not try to sabotage it. Here it's the pump. I think this one can be opened. This is the radiator. So yeah, this is the unboxing for the DeepCool GamerStorm Castle 240 EX, and yeah, I think this will help for the temperature because now my temperature sometimes spike and I don't think air cooler is enough, and I may be boosting the base frequency and all those things for my CPU afterwards. I have another thing coming. It is in the transit, or it hasn't begun transit yet, but yeah. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Sorry for all the faults and all thing, because yeah, there was a lot to do, and being on the phone is not that great. So bye. If you liked what you watch, do appreciate. I will try to upload more videos. Sorry for my tone. Bye.